Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I gonna make a Mitarashi Dango rice dumplings in a sweet soya sauce. But before that, I wanna introduce you some Japanese culture related to rice dumplings. I have a memo here today. So in Japan, there is an autumn festival called Otsukimi to admire the moon. Otsukimi means viewing the moon. So because in this season, the night sky is clear and the moon is at its most beautiful, and Otsukimi is celebrated on the night of August 15 on the Chinese calendar. That season is the time for the rice harvest. So rice flour dumplings were made to look like the moon and offered to the god as an appreciation and pray for a good harvest in the following year. So they believed that by eating dumplings, they would share the moon's power and gain health and happiness. So my grandma also makes rice dumplings every year and offer them to God. And in Japan, McDonald's has a autumn-only version called Otsukimi burger. The thick egg is made to look like the moon. So okay, thank you for listening to my long explanation. So okay, let's get started.
So, the ingredients for the rice dumplings are 120 grams of white rice flour and 90 to 100 ml of water. And the Mitarashi sauce has 4 ingredients: 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 60 ml of water, and 5 grams of potato starch. So when making rice dumplings, we usually use glutinous rice flour and white rice flour, but this time I use only white rice flour. If you use only this, the texture will be less sticky than usual, but it will still be delicious enough, so don't worry.
Okay, and then next please add 90 ml of water here.
So knead the dough until it becomes together nicely. So if the dough doesn't hold together well, add 5 ml to 10 ml of water and knead until the dough holds together nicely. So when the dough is ready, cut into rice dumpling shapes. But before cutting them, please boil the water to boil the dough. So make a light stick with your hand and cut into 3 equal pieces, and then furthermore, cut each into 6 equal pieces. So shape it into a nice round shape. So after shaping them, time to boil them. So put all the rice dumplings into the boiling water and wait until everything floats. So stir them occasionally. So after about 3 to 4 minutes, the rice dumplings will float to the surface. When all the rice dumplings have floated to the surface, continue boiling for 1 minute. So after that, scoop up the rice dumplings into a water or cold water to cool. So, and then stick the rice dumplings onto bamboo skewers. So in total, I made 6 Mitarashi Dango here, and this is optional, but after this, you can cook the surface in a fry pan to make a crispy Mitarashi Dango. So don't need to use oil, but cook until the surface is lightly browned.
So okay, next let's make a sauce. First, please add the 3 tablespoons of sugar, then next 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. And then next 60 milliliter of water. And then 5 grams of potato starch or corn starch.
So after gently mixing the ingredients, set the heat to medium-low and warm until thickened. Yeah, okay, now sauce is ready. So next, spread the Mitarashi sauce generously over the surface of the rice dumplings.
Jan, できました。みたらし団子 I made it. Looks good. Okay, my friend will try the taste. 今日はまたやっちゃんが来てくれました。ありがとうやっちゃん。今日はねみたらし団子を食べてもらいますよ。やっちゃんじゃあこっちはね、なんだっけフライパンで焼いたやつで真ん中のやつが何も、なんだっけ湯煎してそのまま出来上がった状態でタレをかけたバージョンなんで、味の食感の違いとかをちょっと教えてほしいので、じゃあ先にどうぞこのフライパンでそうやった方から
いただきます。
お願いします。
美味しそう。
見た目はいいよね。見た目はなんか
やっぱいってる感じがある。
あ、本当、感じする。
なんかね、中はすごい柔らかくて、外がすごいカリッてしてるような感じ。
ああ、そんな感じする。なんかさ、美味しい。よかったよかった。食感的にはどう？なんかね、上新粉だけ使ってこれお団子を作ったの。食感的にいつもなんか日本で食べてるお団子に比べてどんな感じ？
ちょっと少し硬いかなって感じ。
だよね、なんかね、そんな感じするよね。
でも美味しい。
美味しい？いっぱい食べてくれて。いっぱい食べてくれて。めっちゃいっぱい食べてほしいけど、なんだっけこっちのそうこう焼いてない方をちょっと食べてほしい。
いただきます。
お願いします。
もちもち。
あ、こっちもちもち。
もちもち。
やっちゃん的にはどっちの方が好き？
こっちは好き。
あ、こっちの方が好き。あ、オッケーオッケー、そうなんだ。
美味しい。
そっちの方がもちもちしてる感じが。
めっちゃもちもち。
あ、へえ、オッケーオッケー、そういう感じね。分かった分かった。
いってる方は外がカリッてしてる。で中がもちってしてて、こっちは全体的にもちってしてる。
そんな感じなのね。オッケーオッケーオッケー、分かったやっちゃう。ありがとう。もう完璧でございます。ありがとうやっちゃん。じゃあもう取ってサクッと終わろうと思うので、これはこれでバッチリです。ありがとうやっちゃん。じゃあゆっくりもっと食べてね。サンキューサンキュー。オッケー。
So, okay, thank you for watching guys. If you enjoyed my video, please give me the thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!